Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Saad and my group fellow is Abdul Bujraw. Today the topic I am here going to represent is about complex engineering problem of ground control. The problem states that there is a mine in Kalabagh which experiences the pillar failure and different ground control issues. The ore body is tabular with an inclination of 25 degrees having thickness 50 feet. The ore burden mostly contains of gypsum 5 feet and marl. The main objective of this complex engineering problem is to report the overall stability analysis of the mining area and to perform the design analysis. Now I move toward the introduction of the complex engineering problem. The Kalabagh salt mines are located in the bank of the Indus River. The salt extracted there is by the Roman pilling mining method. There are different three kinds of salts in there with different shades and colors in geology. The deposits are there in sedimentary region with associated with geological formations of Cretaceous age. There are four major requirements of this report. First of all, we have to estimate the required lab properties. They compute the roughness properties, suggest the design for opening of mine and pillar designs, give the recommendations being a mining engineer. First of all, we have to compute the rock mass properties. In rock mass properties, the laboratory properties of the gypsum as well as the marls are obtained from the literature review. Some of these properties are shown in the screen, such as uniaxial copper strength, Young modulus, specific gravity, and Poisson ratios. By putting these values into the RockLab software, we determine the basic rock mass properties of the following overburden. The next part is about the design of the opening. In design of opening, first of all, we have to calculate the in situ stresses. The in situ stresses of both gypsum and marls are to be calculated by multiplying the unit weight due to acceleration due to gravity. We find the value of gamma. Then for vertical stress, the formula is used is gamma V is equal to sigma h. The overall vertical stress is 3.6 megapascal, and for horizontal stress, the formula is gamma h is equal to sigma V multiplied k. The horizontal stress is about to be 1.51 megapascal.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Bujraw and my group member Muhammad Saad. Today we are going to discuss about the complex engineering problem of ground control. So as my group member already discussed about the problem statement, objective, introduction, requirements and the rock mass properties. So now I'm going to discuss about the design of opening.
The design of opening, the height of the opening is like 2 meter, and like here is the design of opening which is designed by the AutoCAD. So width of opening is around 4 meter, and so by the calculation we have the horizontal stress is around 12.1992 megapascal and the vertical stress is around 12.2106 megapascal. Here is the design which is established by the FEM mode stability analysis. As pillar design is typically conducted by estimating the pillar strength and the pillar stress, and then sizing the pillar so that an adequate margin exists between the expected pillar strength and stress. Room and pillar mining are not particularly dependent on the depth of deposit. So by using hit and trial method, so width of opening is 4 meter and width of pillar is around 2 meter. And for gypsum and marl, the strength of pillar is around 32.4 megapascal. Like for the safety factor of safety, we have the formula like strength of gypsum and marl divided by the stress. So we have the factor of safety around 12.67, which is greater than 1. So the pillars are stable. So ground control. Here are some hazards of flooding 1 or 2 levels. Flood risk to underground and above ground mining operations can result from increase of groundwater or from uncontrolled surface runoff, such as from flash flooding after heavy rains. Flooding can destabilize pits wall, resulting in mine collapse and loss of life and heavy machinery. To prevent water entering minings, ongoing system of boreholes and pump stations are installed. They are critical for the continuous dewatering of mining operations, such as at the working mine phase. So here are some engineering controls for pillar failure. So there are 3 types: in shear failure, in cave failure, and in convex failure. So we can stable the pillar like by bolting, by strong meshing, by concrete column repairs, by meshing barrier pillars, crown pillars, full extraction approach, pillars splitting, and by keeping width to height. So here are some references. Thank you so much.